let's look at this solved problem. It says simplify 3 root 45 minus 12 root 5 plus 16 root 20 and leave your answer in solved form. Shall we start? Solution. So we have 3 root 45 minus 12 root 5 plus 16 root 20. The first thing you have to do is to find out what the perfect square in 45 is, as well as the perfect square in 20. Now, you should know that when a number ends with 5, that number is divisible by 5. That means we can divide 45 by 5. Similarly, when a number ends with 0, that number is also divisible by 5. Therefore, we can divide 20 with 5. But then, what's the perfect square? The perfect square is a number whose square root leaves a whole positive integer. That is a whole number. For instance, square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, 4 is a perfect square. Square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, 9 is a perfect square. So we're going to apply that here to see how we can further evaluate this expression. Divide 45 by 5. That will leave us with 9. Therefore, 9 times 5 is same as 45. So we're going to write this instead as 9 multiplied by 5. Remember, it's the same thing. Minus 12 root 5. You cannot express 5 any further because there is no perfect square in 5. So we move on to here, 16 root 20. I told us that if we divide 20 by 5, it will leave us with 4. Therefore, we're going to have 4 times 5, which will be 20. So we have 4 times 5. This can further be written as 9. I'm trying to separate the contents of the root. And here we have 16 root 4 times root 5. If you have done that, then go ahead to simplify this. The square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 times 3. Remember, square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 3, that will give us 9. 9 times 5, that will leave us with 9 root 5. Minus 12 root 5. And finally, square root of 4 is 2. So we say 2 times 16, which is 32. 32 times root 5, that will give us 32 root 5. So you can see now that the roots are all the same. Root 5, root 5, root 5. So what you now need to do is to add and subtract the coefficients of root 5. So I'm going to say 9 root 5 plus 32 root 5 minus 12 root 5. I didn't do any magic. I only rearranged in order to bring the positive numbers together. So 9 plus 32 will give us 41 minus 12. That will leave us with 29. Therefore, we have 29 root 5. This is how to solve this problem. You can see now it is in solved form because of this irrational number here, this root 5. Thank you.